Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can allow messages from everyone, not only from your contacts and your followers, in the Strava mobile application. So let us begin. So launch the Strava app, and here on your home feed or home tab, tap into these two speech bubbles at the top, just next to your profile icon, to access your messages, chats and conversations. Next, tap into that gear icon in the top right corner to access your messaging settings. Here, swipe down till you get to the Who Can Message You section, and as you can see, it is set to default following, but you can also go with mutuals, for example, or no one. Simply select the option. Now, if you'd like to give everyone the opportunity to message you, even users of the Strava app who are not your contacts, you can do this by selecting following anyone here. Anyone you follow, as you can see, according to this instruction, will then be given the opportunity to send you a message. And that message, no matter if by a contact or by someone from outside your contact list, will appear here in your messaging center. That's it, guys.